Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know, we are discussing our chapter number 2 which is more on Windows. So this is second part of our chapter number 2. So without wasting any time, let's start. So today we will discuss how Windows 10 better than Windows 7 and Windows 8. As you can see the icon of all three windows, this is of Windows 7, this is of Windows 8 and this is of Windows 10. So what is better? So we have our desktop screen on which we can access all the applications of Windows 7 easily. In Windows 7 there is a start button. By clicking that button we can access start menu. So there are 2 points. First point is that we have a desktop screen in Windows 7 which can access all the applications, and we also have a start button. By clicking that button we can access the start menu. So a start menu contains all the features and applications of Windows 7. So as you can see in this image, this is the image of Windows 7. This screen is called desktop screen. Here you can use all the applications, or we can say the shortcut of all the applications of Windows. This button is known as start button and this box is known as start menu. By clicking the start button we can open the start menu, and in start menu you can see all the applications of Windows 7 which we can use in Windows 7. Windows 7 basically used for desktop and laptop computers. So now Windows 8. In Windows 8 tiles are given to access files or folders. We don't have any start button or start menu in Windows 8 like Windows 7. Windows 8 basically used in touchscreen PCs, laptops and tablet. As you can see, we don't have any start button or start menu in Windows 8, and Windows 8 is basically used in touchscreen devices like tablets, laptop and touchscreen PCs. So this is the main point of Windows 8. As you can see, this is Windows 8. In Windows 8 we don't have any start button here like Windows 7, and you can see the boxes. These boxes are called tiles. By clicking the tiles we can access all the applications of Windows 8. So as we know, Windows 8 basically only used for touchscreen PCs, laptop and tablets. We can't use Windows 8 on our normal computers. So now Windows 10. Windows 10 is the combination of start menu of Windows 7 and tiles of Windows 8. This is the important point, that Windows 10 is the combination of start menu of Windows 7 and tiles of Windows 8. As we know, Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. Windows 10 works well with both touchscreen and non-touchscreen devices. So this is the important point, that Windows 10 can work on both devices, touchscreen or non-touchscreen. As you can see, this is the image of Windows 10. In Windows 10 we have a desktop just like Windows 7. We also have a start menu. It is also like Windows 7, and this is a start menu like Windows 7. But the main point is that, as you can see, these are the tiles as we have tiles in Windows 8, so these tiles are also used in Windows 10. So that is the reason that Windows 10 is the combination of Windows 7 and 8. So let's discuss some key points of Windows 10. As you can see, user interface hybrid normally can run effectively on all devices, user friendly. As we know, Windows 10 can work on all the devices. Windows 8 is specially designed for touchscreen enabled devices, user friendly. So Windows 7 best for laptop and desktop users. This is also user friendly. As we know, all the Windows are user friendly. Gaming have features like DirectX 12 and Xbox app. As we know, Xbox and Xbox 12 are the gaming features, so we can directly access the gaming feature in Windows 10 while not recommended for games. Windows 8 is not for gaming. Windows 7 good. We can play games on Windows 7 easily. Web browsing bring new platform for browsing called Microsoft Edge. Now, what is Microsoft Edge? Microsoft Edge is a feature which we can use in Windows 10 for web browsing. In Windows 7, updated Internet Explorer. As we use Internet Explorer in our computer system, so Windows 8 use the updated Internet Explorer. In Windows 7 uses basic Internet Explorer for browsing. So in web browsing, Windows 8 is better than Windows 7 and Windows 10 is better than the both of them. Search is fine in Windows 10. Result from Bing making search annoying. We can search any information with the help of Bing in Windows 8, but it is not so good. And in Windows 7, it is simple and quick to search any information. Longer support till 14th October 2025. As we know, Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows, but it will be work till 14th October 2025. So it is the date. May be possible after 2025 the new version will come of Windows till 10 Jan 2023. So it means Windows 8 will work up to 2023 while 14 Jan 2020. As we know, Windows 7 is not in use now. If you are using a Windows 7 in your desktop, so you have to update your Windows in Windows 10. So now we can't use Windows 7 in our computer. If you are using, then you have to update the window. Performance, Windows 10 is high in performance while Windows 8 is high in performance and Windows 7 robust and reliable performance. So in performance, Windows 8 and 10 both are the high performance window. So I hope it's clear. So that is it for today. In next class we will discuss the more features of Windows 10. So thank you so much, students.